Okay, guys, we're gonna solve this problem that Matthew is asking. Uh, so he solved correctly. This is one quiz, okay? He solved correctly this problem. So you need to solve this differential equation by separation of variables. So he already solved it. So we're gonna skip that first part. So what you do is you move 25y to this side, dx to this side, integrate both sides. You get 25y squared divided by 2. And then in this case, he moved the x squared to the other side. So minus x squared divided by 2 equals to a constant. Okay. Then this equals to a constant, so that you don't have to write constant. So find the equation of the solution through the point. So phi 1, so he did right. So now he's asking me help to find the equation of the solution through the point x, y, 0 minus 2. And so let's do the whole problem for that one. So dy dx equals x over 25y. And then xy equals 0 minus 2. We're gonna solve that. So we already did some previous graphing, and you see that's the solution that he found. So if you put 0, the solutions are just 2 lines. But if you put if the constant is 1, you start finding what is called hyperbolas, right? So if you put 4, so those are hyperbolas. So you have one positive, one negative. They are like married. They go together everywhere. Okay. And then, so what we're gonna do is solve it. So how do we get, or like this? They can go like this, or they can go like this. So let's solve it. So we need to solve the problem dy dx equals x over 25y. So as I said, we use separation of variables. So by separation of variables, what do? You get 25y dy. So let me put it nicely. Dy equals x dx. Now integrate both sides. That's what is called integration by separation of variables, because you put y's with y's, x with x. Now you integrate, so you get 25y squared divided by 2 plus well, in this case, let's say you put constant here equals x squared divided by 2 plus constant 2. So you move it back, 25y squared divided by 2 minus s squared divided by 2 equals c2 minus c1, but this is one constant minus another constant is another constant. So instead of c2 minus c1, I'm just gonna call it c. So the problem is telling me my graph, my hyperbola that I'm looking for, should be ordered for xy 0 minus 2. That means x equals 0, y equals negative 2. So then if x is 0, I plug in x is 0, so minus 0 squared divided by 2. And y squared, so what is y? Y is minus 2. So minus 2 squared divided by 2. So I get 25 times 4 divided by 2. And 0 is gone, right? So c. So I get half. So I got c equals 50. So my equation is like this. My equation is 25y squared divided by 2 minus x squared divided by 2 equals to 50. So, we avoid fractions if we can. So if I multiply times 2, I got 25y squared minus x squared equals 100. And the problem is asking me to find the equation of the solution through the point x. Your answer should be y equals f of x. So they want us to solve by y. So I'm going to do 25y squared equals 100 plus x squared. Y squared equals 100 over 25 plus x squared divided by 25. And then take the square root. So when I take the square root, what happens? So 100 over 25 is 4, right? And x squared over 25. So what are we missing here, Matthew? Because so far, how many graphs do I have here? Just one. So it's just showing me the positive one. So I need to also to have the negative one. And remember, when you take the square root, you get plus and minus. So since you have plus and minus, you have to choose. They are telling us to choose the one that is passing to 0 minus 2. So I need to choose this one. So I need to choose the one with minus. So that's what we have to choose. So your answer is correct. Almost. You just need to choose the 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 one that has the negative on it. So you go here. I think you let's just put minus to see if you got it right. Yeah, you just need to choose the negative one instead of the positive. Okay? Well, let me stop the panopticon.